Welcome back to Best Reviews. Today, we're diving into the future of smart kitchens with the top 5 revolutionary cooking robots and appliances that are changing the way we prepare meals. From fully autonomous chefs to intelligent multi-cookers, these machines promise to save you time, effort, and even inspire creativity in your cooking. Let's get started. Number 5. Liffo Cooking. Robot meet the Liffo fully autonomous cooking robot. This is more than just a smart appliance. It's your personal chef. With the ability to prepare full meals completely on its own, Liffo handles chopping, stirring, seasoning, and cooking with precision. Whether it's a quick weekday dinner or an elaborate dish, this robot adapts to your preferences and makes sure every meal comes out perfectly cooked. Imagine walking into your kitchen and dinner is ready without lifting a finger. That's the promise of Liffo. Number 4. Thermomix TM7. Next up, the Thermomix TM7. Known worldwide as one of the most versatile kitchen devices, this new generation Thermomix takes things to another level. It combines over 20 different functions in a single machine: blending, steaming, kneading, chopping, and more. What makes the TM7 stand out is its guided cooking technology, where step-by-step recipes are displayed on a large touchscreen. It doesn't just help you cook, it teaches you new techniques while ensuring consistent results every time. Number 3. Rotimatic NEXT. This smart appliance is every flatbread lover's dream. With just flour, water, and oil, it automatically makes perfectly round, fluffy rotis and flatbreads in minutes. What sets the NEXT version apart is its upgraded design and faster performance, giving you healthier, fresher bread without preservatives or effort. It's not only a time saver, but also a game changer for households that enjoy fresh rotis daily. Number 2. Suvie 3.0. Plus Suvie is a unique kitchen robot that refrigerates your ingredients until it's time to cook. You can load your meal in the morning, set the time, and Suvie automatically switches from cooling to cooking, so your dinner is hot and ready exactly when you want it. From sous vide to roasting and steaming, Suvie's versatility makes it perfect for busy professionals and families alike. It's truly a set-it-and-forget-it solution for modern living. Number 1. AENO CR1S GastroLab. This advanced cooking robot is designed for both home chefs and professionals, offering precision, consistency, and speed. With its smart automation, GastroLab can handle a wide range of cooking techniques, from steaming and frying to baking and slow cooking, all in one powerful device. Its sleek design and intuitive controls make it incredibly user-friendly, while its ability to replicate restaurant-quality meals sets it apart as the ultimate kitchen companion. For anyone looking to transform their cooking experience, the AENO CR1S GastroLab is a true game-changer. And there you have it, the top 5 cooking robots and smart kitchen appliances of today. From Liffo's autonomous cooking to AENO's all-in-one GastroLab, the future of food is already here. Which one of these kitchen innovations would you love to try first? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Best Reviews, and hit the bell icon so you never miss the latest in tech and innovation. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next review.